If you have been struggling with capital, or how you can get capital for your trading, now in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you will get money from Trust Wallet, free USDT from Trust Wallet, to be able to start your crypto journey or your forex journey. Okay, this money is free and you are going to use it for your trading if you are seeking for capital. Now watch this video to the very end because you are going to learn a lot. Now watch this video to the very end and don't skip any part of it, because if you do, that means you're going to miss the step on how to get this money. Now what you need to do is go to your app store or your play store and then search for Trust Wallet. So once you get that, you click on install. Okay, click on install. So once the app is installed in your phone, what you need to do is open the app, then search for the Trust or Wallet app. Then that's where the magic happens. So once you do that, it's going to take you to this interface. Read every details there. Make sure you read and understand. Then you have to connect your wallet to the DApp, and then you need also a few amount of crypto or USDT to for the collateral and the fee. Okay, so once you do that, you apply for any amount here. There are 5,000 and all that. So I have done that right now. So you see, let me check if it has entered. 5,000 has entered, $5,000 in my Trust Wallet right now. So if you try this, tell me in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. If it works for you, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, and don't hesitate to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a video like this, you will get notified. See you in my next video.